How to use Ticketmaster mobile tickets. I'm going to tell you how to use Ticketmaster mobile tickets. After buying a ticket on Ticketmaster, the easiest way to access it is through your phone. Normally, you download the Ticketmaster app, log in, and your ticket will show up under My Events with a rotating barcode. But if you're like me and you don't see the Ticketmaster app in your app store, it might not be available in your country. In that case, you'll most likely be told to use the Fan Wallet app instead. That's Ticketmaster's partner wallet for storing tickets. Here's how it works. After buying a ticket, check your email for a button or link that says download your ticket or view ticket. Tap that and it should automatically open the Fan Wallet app and import your ticket. It stores it offline and shows a secure QR code when it's time to enter the venue. No screenshots, no printouts, just show your phone. You can also transfer your ticket to a friend through the app using their email, whether you're using the Ticketmaster app or Fan Wallet.